Hey smart shoppers, welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart, where we dive into the nitty-gritty to help you make the smartest choice for your wallet and your sanity. Today, we've got a drone showdown that's more intense than a seagull stealing your sandwich at the beach. On the left, we've got the DEERC D20 mini drone, aka the Little Flipper. And on the right, we've got the Holy Stone HS440 Foldable FPV drone, or as I like to call it, the Sky King. It's a battle between the budget-friendly and the feature-packed. Let's get ready to rumble. First up, camera quality. Because let's be real, if your drone can't capture your epic adventures, what's the point? On the left, the Little Flipper gives us a 720p HD Wi-Fi camera. Not bad, right? You can get some decent shots of your backyard barbecue. But hey, don't expect Spielberg-level cinematography here. According to reviews, users appreciate the camera for basic needs, but mention it's limited in quality. Now, on the right, the Sky King flexes with a 1080p HD auto-adjustable camera. That's right, folks, it's like having your personal flying paparazzi. Adjust that camera within 90 degrees and capture every moment from a bird's eye view. Perfect for those who want to feel like they're in a Hollywood movie, or at least a YouTube vlog. Reviewers love the camera quality and appreciate the adjustable angle for capturing better shots. Next up, flight time. Because nobody wants a drone that dies mid-flight like your phone at 1% battery. The Little Flipper offers up to 20 minutes with its 2 rechargeable batteries. Not bad for a quick spin around the park, right? Reviewers highlight the convenience of having 2 batteries, extending the fun. But the Sky King, oh man, it also gives you 20 minutes of sweet airtime, but with a modular battery that screams, "I'm here for the long haul." Plus, it comes with a carrying case, so you can look super professional while you're lugging it around. Reviewers appreciate the high-quality case and the reliable battery life. All right, ease of use. Because let's face it, none of us want to read a manual thicker than a dictionary. The Little Flipper is basically the drone equivalent of a point-and-shoot camera. One key: start landing, altitude hold, and even voice control. Just say, take off or landing, and watch it obey like a well-trained pet. It's so easy, even your grandma could use it, if she's into that sort of thing. Reviewers rave about how beginner-friendly it is. The Sky King isn't slacking either. With features like automatic takeoff, precise hovering, and one-key high-speed rotation, it's like the Swiss Army knife of drones. And did I mention headless mode and emergency stop? It's like having a superhero in your pocket, minus the cape. Users find it easy to fly and appreciate the smart features. Now for the fun stuff, because what's a drone without some cool tricks? The Little Flipper brings the party with 3D flips and waypoints fly. Just push the control sticks inwards and boom, it's flipping like a gymnast on Red Bull. Draw a flight course on your phone and it'll follow like a loyal dog. Plus, gesture selfies, because who doesn't want a drone that understands your need for a perfect selfie? Reviewers love these fun features, especially for kids and beginners. The Sky King is no slouch either. While it doesn't flip like a circus acrobat, it offers one-key high-speed rotation that's sure to make your friends go, whoa. And with its foldable, portable design, taking it on adventures is a breeze. Plus, it's got that whole discover a new adventure vibe going on. Perfect for wannabe explorers. Reviewers appreciate the portability and the high-speed rotation feature. And finally, the category that can make or break your decision: price. The Little Flipper comes in at a wallet-friendly $69. That's right, folks, you can get a decent drone for less than what you'd spend on a fancy dinner. Reviewers agree it's a great value for beginners. Meanwhile, the Sky King asks for $129. A bit steeper, but remember, you're paying for those extra features and that slick carrying case. It's like the difference between economy and first class. Reviewers feel the price is justified given the superior features and durability. Both drones receive positive reviews for their respective strengths. The DEERC D20 mini drone is praised for its ease of use, affordability, and fun features, making it an excellent choice for beginners and kids. On the other hand, the Holy Stone HS440 Foldable FPV drone is lauded for its superior camera quality, durability, and advanced features, making it a great option for those willing to invest a bit more for enhanced capabilities. So there you have it, folks. Whether you want the budget-friendly little flipper with its easy controls and fun flips, or the feature-packed Sky King with its superior camera and sleek design, the choice is yours. Drop a comment below and let us know which drone you'd take to the skies. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss another episode of Buy Smart. Until next time, happy flying, and remember, fly smart, buy smart. Product links are in the description.